Good morning, and it's still Happy Tuesday. But we are in Sandpoint, Idaho, on the northern part. Just passing the Walmart. And it looks like you can RV park there. I don't know for sure though, but that's a good place to remember. But we are driving toward Washington on Highway 2, and I don't remember the town name. I couldn't get it to come up. So once I see a sign, I will let you know.
There's a speed trap ahead.
Thank you. I'm not ever speeding though. Ever. McDonald's? Ah. Still don't think the McDonald's here is open on the inside. They are in Nebraska. First place I've ever seen them open since COVID started. So it's not a national thing. It looks like it's a regional issue.
In a quarter mile, use the right lane to take the US 2 West, Idaho 200 map to Kunai Clark Fork.
So I think there's a bike path on my right, and I want to say it's pretty extensive in Sandpoint.
Use the right lane to take the US 2 West ramp, then turn right onto US 2 West.
Yeah, another place we got to check out, the bike trails. Priest River, I want to go there. It's like a dead end road into the mountains, and there's a state park.
US 2 West, signs for Sandpoint, Priest River.
A state park? I thought there was a lake there too. Wow, there's a stop sign at this turn. I don't see that very often. Usually it's a yield.
Continue for 32 miles.
Truck in front of me has a hand grenade sticker on his window. Is that saying he's a hand grenade? Oh, this is Sand Creek. People fishing over there in their boat. It's peaceful. Alright, officially we are entering Sandpoint now. Population 7,835. So officially the Walmart is not in Sandpoint. And that's probably a good thing, because if it was, it probably would be no overnight parking. I'm assuming it is allowed now. Because I think Sandpoint is just big enough and busy enough with tourists that I'm sure they would outlaw it. And be like, we can't have that happening in our town. I came through here before. Oh, it was when I drove down, it was on my trip last fall. I stopped at that little place back there. And I went down to Missoula and then south into Idaho. I almost forgot about that, stopping here. Yeah, Sandpoint has a really neat downtown. I would love to walk around it sometime. I've never done it yet. All kinds of tourist stuff though, it looks like. Oh, and please go. I really want to make this live. Check in the box. I haven't seen that for a while. There's my Safeway. So the main downtown is basically at the light, go left. Just really neat. I drove the RV through it. It's not very RV friendly. It's very tight. Lots of traffic, lots of people. There are some parking lots like 3-4 blocks away. I think you can park an RV, and they look free. But definitely you're not going to be able to park downtown with the RV in the historic part of town. There is no definitely check it out. So my memory card is full in like 55 minutes already. Of course, I've been driving 175 miles already. So I get about 225 miles of memory card, I would say. I might actually make just this Sandpoint video. You know, have a short video of town, driving through town. I kind of like doing that, and it makes the highway part not so long. There's a place called Dubs there. Ice cream hamburgers, Dubs. I like that name. Met a guy hiking on the PCT. He went by Dubs. Really nice guy. Oh my god, he peed blood though one day we were hiking. Scared the crap out of me. I think he said, oh yeah, I'm dehydrated. I mean, I don't know, is it really possible because of dehydration? He was old. He was like 75, 80. I mean, and he emailed me for a while. He was from Utah. I think he died, unfortunately. I mean, that was, oh my gosh, that was 12 years ago when I saw him on the trail. Yeah, I think he started having more health issues. He got out there though, and he was living his dream. You know, in his 70s. Admire that. That's how I hope I am. Yeah, he would email me at least once a year for 3 or 4 years, see how I was doing. Gave little updates. I wonder if I still have any of those emails. Wow, the bike path is still there. Oh yeah, we'll definitely make this a Sandpoint video because it is taking forever to get through town. It might be 15 minutes long. This guy's waiting for a walk sign, I think. I do not understand this light. Everything is red. Everything is red. And there's no walk signal. I think it's broken. He's been standing there a while. Unless he just missed the cycle, maybe. Wow, why don't we have a grade? Jeez. Alright, moving again. For a town of 8,000 people, it takes a long time to get through. Speed limit's 35. Oh, there's the bike trail. Look at all the people on it. Oh, there's a Sprinter camper van pulling a boat. Now that's an awesome setup. I love that. That would be fun. They have a nice boat too. But well, that was Sandpoint, Idaho. So we're gonna end this video and check it out. It's a really fun place to visit.